Good morning, dear Pisces. This is a reading for 2021, the whole year of 2021. So, I picked one card for each month of yours. So, let's quickly start what is happening with you guys in 2021. So, in January, Two of Cups energy is there. This is a very beautiful spiritual union with somebody, soulmate connection. There is a love connection coming in your life, or maybe if you're already married or in a relationship, then that relationship is getting enhanced and you are getting a new urge to start this relationship on a spiritual level, to make a bonding that is very beautiful, creative, dreamy, like a fairy tale. It's all about love in Jan 2021 for you guys, Pisces. So it is happening with you guys. You are feeling at the top of the world. You are feeling very good with your partner. You are feeling like in a sense of union with your partner. That is happening with you guys. Maybe this is maybe a new love coming to you, or maybe you are going to a new person in your life, but whatever it is kind of spiritual connection with you guys, Pisces, in the month of Jan. In Feb, what is happening is Ace of Wands energy is there. You are going to feel very passionate, dynamic, energetic for a particular project or business opportunity or kind of job or something like that. Maybe you are starting to going to the gym. Maybe you are starting a new project. Whatever you are starting, it is a new start in Feb 2021, and you are going to love it because this is what is very close to your heart. That is your heart's desire, and you are very passionate about that. This is passionate energy. This is the energy that needs, that you require for something to start up in your life. Okay, so in Feb 2021 there is something that you are starting, maybe a new project, maybe a new routine, maybe something that you always wanted to do, that is going to start in Feb. In the month of March, however, this is the Seven of Swords energy in the month of March. So you have to take care of all your decisions. You have to take care of all the paperwork, all the things that is very important for you. Otherwise, there is chances of deception. There's chances of some kind of theft, or some kind of thing is hidden from you, Pisces. So you have to take care of everything in the month of March. Whatever you are signing for, whatever you are making new connection with, or you are starting something. Like, you don't have to trust blindly. Okay, you have to trust. Okay, this is not like you don't have to trust anybody. It is like trust, but not blindly. Okay, you have to keep your faith in yourself. So you have to take care of your own beliefs, your own belief system, and your own thoughts. Then only proceed further in life. Otherwise, you are going to regret it. There is something. This is some kind of caution, but I can say there's some kind of little theft as well. So you have to take care of. You have to take some precautions. Okay, otherwise some kind of a little mishappening can happen. It is not kind of bursting energy, but it is kind of some kind of energy that you have to take care of, the paperwork, the people around you, deception, or something hidden from you. The secret will come out, basically. Okay, the secret will come out if there is something hidden from you guys in March. Okay, in April, this is the Queen of Wands energy, very dynamic, passionate. She is a stable woman, and she is kind of intuitive as well, and she knows what she wants. So whatever it takes for her to get this particular thing, get that particular thing, she is going to take all the necessary actions for what she wants in her life. So this is the Queen of Wands energy. If you are a male, that doesn't feel like you are a male or female, it doesn't matter in tarot. So it is the energy, basically. It is kind of energy you are picking for the month of April, that you are going to feel like very dynamic, passionate, energetic, and you are your intuition is running high. You are feeling very stable about your particular thing in your life, maybe a relationship, or maybe a job opportunity, or maybe some business kind of thing. But whatever it is, you are going to feel like a winner, a passionate winner, and stable as well in your work. Basically, it is kind of work energy, what I can see. Okay, and then in the month of May is the Queen of Swords energy. What I can feel is, in this year, you are taking lots of actions. You are very passionate about something. You are moving towards a very deep ingrown dream that was making you feel like, yes, I have to do it anyhow in this year. I have to do it anyhow in this year. And you are very passionate. You are acting. You are mentally very stable. Mentally very feeling like, yes, ideas are popping up. Some good projects are popping up. Something is happening in your life that never happened in the past years. So whatever is happening with your life, this is the manifestation that you did in the previous years. So it is kind of energy that I'm picking for you guys in May, is that Queen of Swords energy. You will get the mental clarity, you will get the intellectual clarity of what you want in your life. So that is the biggest thing that you can do, Pisces, with yourself, because some people don't have the clarity even that what I want in my life or what I don't want in my life. So if you have the clarity that what you want in your life, then life becomes more easy, more enjoyable, more fruitful. That is what is happening with you guys in May. In June, there is a Death card. You will never be the same again. June, there's something happening with you guys that is going to make you feel like a new person, that is going to change you. That is kind of breakup thing as well. Maybe what I can feel is you are breaking up with a person or a relationship that is no longer serving you, and you are going to you are going to be a new person after this breakup or after this heavy energy that passed off. So you have to take care of your emotions. Emotional balance is very, very important, because this breakup will make you something else. This breakup is kind of making you feel like a spiritual being, or you are getting connected to the divine after this breakup or after this heartbreak or whatever it is happening that is suddenly broke up, suddenly died. No person is dying here, but there is some kind of energy that is going to die. That is, it can be a relationship, it can be a job, or it can be something that is not serving you anymore. So it is going to die in the month of July, it is the Four of Pentacles energy. So you are holding very, very tight. So maybe you are holding your finances very, very tight. Maybe you are holding a relationship very, very tightly, or maybe you are holding something that is very close to your heart. You are feeling like, I will not let this person or that person go. I will not let this job opportunity go, or whatever it is. You are feeling like you are holding it very, very tightly, and you are feeling like, oh God, I am not going to share this with anybody else in my life. Otherwise I am going to feel like burdened or something like that. So this kind of energy, you are holding something very, very tight and very close to you. Maybe you are holding a secret within you that you are not going to reveal to anybody before it come to fruition. That is happening with you guys in July. In August, Six of Wands energies, there's some kind of recognition, some kind of happiness, some kind of reward is coming your way in August because of your hard work. This is action oriented card. The wands are always related to action, so there's lots of passion and action in this year for you guys. And basically what I can see is you are moving forward in your career. It is basically related to your career field. So your whole focus in this year is going to be on your career. There's some kind of recognition, reward, or something like that is coming to you. You were waiting for this particular thing for a very, very long time. Finally it is coming to you guys in the month of August. September, the Empress card is September. You are going to enjoy the freedom. You are single. In the month of September, what I can see is you are enjoying your singlehood, or maybe if you are not single, but you are feeling like, yes, this is all that I created for myself. This is my energy, this is my work, this is my hard work, my creativity. Everything I did is for myself. So this is basically for you. In the month of September, you are feeling like this is me and myself, alone, and I am enjoying the fertility period. I am enjoying whatever I have created. If you are a female, you can get pregnant as well. This is a very fertile period in the month of September. So this is kind of energy for you guys in September. You are going to enjoy the freedom. You are going to feel like an empress, okay? Then in the month of October, the Emperor energy, the Empress and the Emperor. Empress is very beautiful, very creative, very intuitive, very soft-hearted, kind-hearted energy. But the Emperor is kind of rigid. He sets his rules. He has his own sets of beliefs and thoughts. He never let anybody else change that rules for somebody. So this is kind of energy that what I'm picking for you guys in the month of October. You are going to feel like, yes, this is what I want in my life. This is who I want in my life. I am not going to change it for anybody. No matter what is happening with other people, I am going to do what I feel is good for me. That is the energy for you guys in the month of October. So you are going to act like a rigid emperor who is not going to make any kind of adjustments or any kind of amendments to make anything clear, anything work out. He is clear that what he wants in his life, and he is not going to allow anybody else to distract him. Okay, so that is the kind of energy what you are doing in October. In November, it is kind of the star energy. This is kind of spiritual awakening, beautiful energy, positivity, happiness. In the month of November, you are going to feel happy after a long period of time, internally happy, internal happiness that is making you feel like, yes, life is beautiful, everything is positive, nothing is wrong, whatever happened to me in the past is for my personal growth. You are going to feel like, yes, this is whatever happened was for my good, for my higher good. The universe is guiding me, the universe is helping me. Okay, so this is what is happening with you guys in the month of November. In month of December, it is like the 5 of Cups energy is there. So love is here. See, the 2 cups are behind this man. Love is here, but what you are doing is you are not taking that love. You are not happy with that love. You are feeling like, no, I don't want this in my life. I want something else, or maybe I want to live alone for some time. I want to rectify whatever happened in the past. I want to deal with that sadness. I want to grieve. Then only I will move forward in my life regarding love. So this is what is happening with you guys in December. It is not kind of energy that it is going to happen with every Pisces around there, but for most of the Pisces or some of the Pisces, whatever it is happening is it is going to make you feel a little bit sad, or maybe you are going to feel alone, or maybe you have cut yourself from somebody just because that was not helping you. Okay, so this is what is happening with you guys in the 2020, in the year 2021. I'm sorry for this. So yes, let's see quickly what the universe has for you. Guidance from the universe. Pisces, what should you do? Guidance from the universe to move forward in life. The cards are not, I'm not able to shuffle the cards. I don't know why, it's very cold here. So yeah, guidance for Pisces, please. Universe, guidance for Pisces, please. Wheel of Fortune, 9 of Pentacles, and the Lover's card. Wheel of Fortune energy is there. Whatever is happening with you is guided by the universe. Whatever is happening with you is destined to happen, so you can't change anything that is happening. Whatever is happening is because the universe is guiding you. The unknown forces are guiding you to be there whatever you are doing. And this is the 9 of Pentacles. This is kind of abundant energy, positivity, happiness, singlehood. You might feel yourself like trapped in something or trapped in some relationship or whatever. You will break the chains and you will be happy again, and you will feel like singlehood is the best thing. I will focus on my energy, on my passion, on my work. I am not going to feel trapped in a certain relationship or a bondage or whatever you can say. And the Lover's card is also there. There is some kind of spiritual union is also coming there, but what I feel is you are not going to take this seriously, the Lovers thing. You are going to focus on your abundance, your stability, your money. Okay, so this is for you guys, like, yeah. So Pisces, this is what you are going to do in 2021. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do let me know in the comment section below. Do subscribe to my channel, share with your friends as well. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste and a happy new year to you. Thank you.